Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Una. This is my first gaming video. This is the first gaming video I've uploaded. This is my first gaming video on YouTube. Where is this X? COVID. I have to complete that. What the hell is this? Oh, this is actually the stage thing. I don't know. So we're gonna play Uno. We're gonna win a couple of matches. Then let's check what this thing is.
Reverse.
24 hours and the microphone reverse. I got the type reverse. What?
Uno.
It was first type reverse.
Uno.
We're still gonna win again. We're still gonna win. Okay. Let's check if we're gonna win or not. Let's go, we won. Good job.
Super duper.
Money fingers, so let's quickly play.
Super duper.
No wild cards or anything. Oh shit, I actually did ads. I was about to go click or close, so wait. Just try to do this puzzle. Wait, I went back, but this ad is completed. Okay guys, the ad is completed. Let's continue playing. Every Friday and Saturday. Ooh, that's in 10 weeks.
Blue.
No! Seriously, man?
Draw 6.
What is this for? Drop me, draw 4.
Skip. Reverse. Skip. Rock 2. Uno. Yellow. Uno. Reverse. Super duper.
Oh my gosh! Oh no, I gotta go. I know some of you like Uno. I know some of you guys watching this video like Uno. And whoever's not subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video, of course. If you guys don't want to like it, that's okay. If you guys don't want to like, that's okay. I insist. You would never not drop messages when I upload videos. I insist. I insist you will have a lot of messages from my vids, or live streams, on my other channel, which is Samosa by also. So make sure to subscribe to that channel also. Make sure to subscribe to that channel also. Samosa by
Blue.
a book seriously blue. Maybe oh thank goodness it's
Blue.
Wow! This guy's a bot. This guy's a bot.
Draw 4. Draw 2.
Bro, what do I do? I almost changed it.
Blue. Draw 6.
I'm not gonna say oops, sorry because it's his fault. He's the draw for first.
Uno.
You see it? Bro!
Skip.
This guy's a bot!
Skip.
Bro! Because of him I lost everything!
Don't stop now.
Bro, seriously, man. And guys, I'll be right back when this ad is finished. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, after this much, I have to end video now because my storage is getting full right now because I don't have that much storage now. So I might have to end video soon. I'll do a video after this game. This game is like
Reverse. Draw 4.
finish the ad.
Red.
This doesn't approve.
Uno.
And I just
Blue. Skip.
Let's go.
Super duper.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed.